and welcome to the Python tutorial series. My name is Daniel Lari, and previous tutorial we have discussed about a very important module, that is OS. In this tutorial I'll discuss about one interesting module that is called random. So we use the random module to generate the random numbers. So there are a few methods that you can use to generate random numbers. I will discuss only 4 or 5 methods here. Okay, first method that I will discuss, that is called, the method name is itself random. So random dot random you can call, and this method will generate any random number between 0 and 1. That will be a floating point number. So let's see that the output is, as you can see here, there is a floating point number and it is 0.4. So if you run it as many as number of times, then you will see that it's generate a random number from 0 to 1. That is a floating point number. If you want to generate any integer random number, then there is a method that is called randint. So here is a randint method, and you need to pass 2 arguments. First of all, first argument is the starting, and second one is your endpoint. So for example, I want to generate a number from 1 to 10. So I will pass 1 and 10. So let's execute. It will generate a random number from 1 to 10. I execute as suppose too many times, then you can see that it generates a random number. Next method is called a rand range. Let's see, rand range. So this method accepts 3 arguments. First is the start, okay, and then the end position and the step. If you do not pass the step, then it will take by default as 1 step. So for example, if I want to generate a random number from 1 to 10, so let's see that it generate 1. Next time, that is, so you can see that it generate any number between 1 to 10. That steps count is 1. To show the steps count, I have to use I will use the loop for I in range. Let's generate 5 number, and this one, and start. So as you can see that 9, 9, 5, 4, 7. So as you can see that the step count is gap between any random number is not maximum of 1. That is 4 and 5. So the step is, that is 1. If you want that the random should be generate, that should be step count 2, 3. So you can pass the step count 2. So let's see. As you can see that every random number that it will generate, it will have the steps of 2. For example, first number will be 1. So after that it will be 3, then 5, then 7, then 9. So it will generate a random number from 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. It will not generate a random number of 2, 4, 6, 8, and 10. Just look at here the output. So you are getting the values 3, 3, 9, 3, 1. If I change the step count as 3, then it will become 1, 4, 7. So so let's see that what is the random number we are getting. So 4, 7, 7, 4, 1. So we are getting the random number of a step difference, that is 3. So this is the rand range method. One more method that is very interesting, that is, for example, you have a list here, and let me create the list as my list, as I always create. And this list has some number, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, and I want to get one random number from my list at a time. So for that, there is a method that is called random dot, that is choice. So in choice you can pass your list. So what it will do, it will pick only one number, only one element from your list, and it will give you the random number. So as you can see, we are getting 6. Next time if I'll call, then maybe I will get 6 or any other number. So I'm getting another number, that is 1. Next time that is 2. Next time that is I'm getting 1. I'm getting 1. So if you are playing a Ludo game, then you see that you get a number from 1 to 6 only. So it means maybe it is a kind of this situation in that code. Okay. Next method is called shuffle. For example, you have a list that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and you want to shuffle it. If you want to randomize it, then you can use a method that is called random dot shuffle. So what it will do, it will shuffle your list, my list. So if I print this list, then you can see that we are not getting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We will get a shuffled list, that is 4, 5, 6, 7. And if I run this again, then maybe we will get another number. So this is a very handy method, that if you want to shuffle and after that you want to get any random number, then you can use a shuffle method. The last method that I want to discuss is called uniform. So as the randint method provides integer random number, so if you want to get any a floating point random number, then you can use uniform, and here you will pass two values, that is 1 means a starting point and the end point. So it will give you the random number from 1 to 2, that will be your floating point. So 1.02, if I run one more time, then 1.41, if I run one more time, 1.74. So this is the random module by which you can get the random numbers. You can generate a random numbers in your program, and you can use those numbers in your application. So that's all for this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please like, comment, and share your views. You share your ideas, and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you. Bye bye.